Oh boy, it's lit.
Today is day 12.
Woohoo!
12 is 5 shipping tags.
Yes.
This could sing like a Christmas song. 5 shipping tags, 5 Christmas cards. Stop singing.
Oh gosh.
I wrote me a little note here. Says, not so good with tags, but inspired by Doreen, Do 4x4, Cindy Lou Who, Katie the Elegant Criminal, and Belinda from Belinda all right, now I'm about to mess up her name. Belinda Akers, Akers. Yeah, I think that's it.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
Because you know yesterday I jumped.
Take my little note off. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, here we go.
1, 2, 3.
Oh man. Look at
Wrapped up in both stuff.
this. Wow, you guys. Okay. Look at that.
Look at what?
I'm looking at your tag.
Oh.
This is beautiful.
Good.
Wow.
May all your holiday wishes come true. Oh.
Oh, nice.
They all go in my December daily.
This is beautiful. I love this. Love that. Can you guys see that? Oh. Wow. Okay, that's one. Oh, this is beautiful.
Oh. Get out.
Oh, wow.
This the Tim Holtz.
This is pretty.
This is a Tim Holtz thing.
This is really nice. This is beautiful with a little poinsettia and another glittered
Look at that.
brad. Beautiful.
I gotta get me some of these.
Love this. Oh, Linda. Wow, you do awesome tag work. I need to take a class from
Awesome
you.
tag work. I'm looking
Look
at
at
this
this.
Tim Holtz embossed tag. I love it.
Wow, look at this.
And she stickled the 25th. Oh, look.
This is nice.
Oh, man, Pam.
Wow. Beautiful. Wow. Okay, let's see this. Oh.
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 Camera died.
What happened?
My battery's died. You know what? I'm going to trade this camera in.
Your camera died, Mama?
Yeah.
Oh, we
I
have
got all the tags in there. I am not going to redo that video.
Okay.
Just tell everybody my camera died, and I'm going to trade it in because it sucks.
Oh, stupid camera. It's ancient.
Camera.
You got an ancient camera.
This is nice.
Oh, these are beautiful.
Glimmer misses the back.
Oh, wow.
These are definitely going in my December.
Wow.
This one's going to be December 25th.
This is really pretty.
This one, well, one of them going to be today.
Oh, I love these, Linda. These are gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Wow, Pam.
Really pretty. I love how you did these.
I love how you did these.
I have to buy little thingies for these to put them up. These are beautiful. Beautiful. Take a closer look here. Look at that. Beautiful. I couldn't pick a favorite out of all of these. They're all my favorite.
These are gorgeous.
Beautiful. Thank you so much, Linda.
And it seemed like you touched off on just about every aspect. Traditional, shabby chic. Well, this is like, I was going to say, what's that word I was using?
Oh gosh, please don't say ancient.
I was going to say, but vintage.
Thank you.
Touched off on every card is, oh, wow.
These are beautiful, Mama. I love these.
I love these.
Thank you so much. And tomorrow will be day 13, which is the candle holder. Nothing major there.
Oh, candle holder. Well, yeah, I'm kind of with you on that. It's okay.
Yeah, mine's okay. And later on, I will be uploading new videos on an AC Moore I went to today on Long Island, New York. And I also went to my very first local scrapbooking store called the Scrappers Playground. So I'm going to upload those a little later. So if you guys will please take a peek.
I can't wait to see it myself.
I know you can, because I told you all about it.
Oh, let me tell you.
Uh-huh.
Cards I got yesterday are nicely tucked in my tree like ornaments.
Oh, nice.
Are gorgeous. I must take a picture and do a picture of where all my stuff is.
Oh, that's a good idea.
These are gorgeous.
These are gorgeous. I am happy. These are beautiful. Love them. Gotta hide them from Noodles. Love them all. Thank you, Linda. And thank you, everyone, for taking a peek. Have a great week.
Bye, everybody.